Your energy assets hold untapped potential. But navigating the path to savings and sustainability can be complex. Introducing FlexGO by Flexitricity, a smart solution that connects your flexible assets to the energy markets. FlexGO charts the best route, helping you unlock new revenue streams without any disruptions to your daily operations. Find the best solutions with the FlexGO Navigator. Then it's as easy as 1. Connect. Our easy-to-install FlexGO device integrates seamlessly with your existing infrastructure. 2. Optimize. We maximize your asset performance with our industry expertise and cutting-edge technology. Our 24/7 control room keeps you ahead with real-time monitoring and active participation across multiple markets each day, without impacting your daily operations. 3. Earn. Generate revenue by helping to balance the energy system. Earn revenue, business as usual. Be a net zero hero. Ready to navigate your energy future? Let FlexGO guide the way. Flex, earn, go. Visit flexgo.energy to get started today.